Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with power and connectivity because most problems are simple. Check the controller battery or plug in a USB cable to test immediately. Once done, make sure your PC has Bluetooth turned on or the Xbox wireless adapter plugged into a USB port. You'll want Windows settings open at Bluetooth and devices so you can watch the controller appear. Press and hold the controller pair button until the Xbox button flashes to initiate pairing. That tells you the hardware is actively searching. Now focus on software. Update Windows and install the Xbox accessories, apps so drivers and firmware are current. Once done, check Device Manager for unknown devices and right-click to update drivers. This often fixes detection errors. If Bluetooth pairing fails, connect by USB to let Windows recognize the controller and install drivers automatically. Then disconnect and attempt wireless pairing again. Use the adapter pairing button or Windows Add Device Flow, finish by restarting both your PC and the controller to clear transient glitches. After reboot, re-attempt pairing. If it still won't connect, reset the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then try different USB ports or a different Bluetooth adapter to rule out port faults. Once done, test the controller on another computer or an Xbox console. If it works elsewhere, focus on PC drivers and Bluetooth stack. If it fails everywhere, the controller likely needs service or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.